In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce belly fat in Photoshop with this retouching tutorial. So if you're looking to enhance your photo editing skills or just want to know how to make subtle adjustments that create a big impact, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop. This is where all the magic happens, and you can start by launching the software from your desktop or applications folder. Once you have Photoshop open, the first step is to add your image. Simply go to the File menu and click Open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select it, and click Open to bring it into the workspace. Now that your image is open, it's time to work on selecting the area you want to modify. In this case, it's the belly area. To do this, you'll use the lasso tool, which you can find on the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on the lasso tool and carefully draw around the area of belly fat you'd like to adjust. It's important to make a precise selection so that the adjustments you make look natural. With the area selected, your next action is to transform the selection. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This shortcut activates the free transform tool, allowing you to manipulate the selected area. Right-click on the selection, and from the context menu that appears, choose Warp. The warp feature gives you control to subtly reshape your selection by adjusting the grid points that appear, which is incredibly useful for making more nuanced and specific changes. Now go ahead and adjust the selected belly area to achieve the desired look. Click and drag the nodes of the grid to reshape the area until it appears natural and visually pleasing. Remember, the key here is subtlety. Small adjustments can make a significant difference while maintaining the image's integrity. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the final step is to save your work. To do this, head back to the File menu and click on Save As. Choose a file format that suits your needs, whether it's JPEG for a standard image or PSD if you wish to preserve layers for future editing. Don't forget to give your file a new name to avoid overwriting the original. Click Save, and you're done. So there you have it, a straightforward way to reduce belly fat using Photoshop's retouching tools. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to make these enhancements quickly and effectively, adding another skill to your photo editing repertoire. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.